What is up, Elon holders? Welcome back. Today we're going to be doing an update on the Dogelon Mars token, and we know that as none other than ticker symbol Elon. I got to let you know I'm not a financial advisor. Never WhatsApp anybody in my comments. But do remember to drop a big like on the video on the Dogelon Mars project, the Dogelon Mars mission, and most importantly, the Dogelon Mars community. Also, do consider subscribing, as it is going to keep you up to date on cryptocurrency news and all things Dogelon Mars, and you can even win yourself some NFTs in the process. In fact, let's do a giveaway today on this video. All you have to do is be subscribed, drop a comment below. Multiple comments will be taken as multiple entries, and simple as that, you are entered. But I do want to announce that we are actually still minting this project out, and I will actually be dropping a link to the Linktree that does direct you to all the projects that this is involved with, so make sure you go check that out. We are currently almost 50% minted in the NFT collection, and we will be launching a pre-sale for the token coming in December, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that. If you are interested in whitelist spots, make sure you follow the official Twitter page. It will be in the links in the description. Okay, let's get into the day. We are currently ranked 141 right now. 602829 is our current price tag, down 0.34% on the day. Not bad. It does look like our volume has picked up about 10%, sitting in the 4.2 million trade over the last 24-hour range. Very, very awesome. $155 million market cap is where we are sitting. It does look like if we do head on over to market confidence, it does appear that consumer confidence is there in the project. Very strong for this project when compared to other projects. Definitely KuCoin and Gemini being top centralized exchanges, providing liquidity. Mainly KuCoin. A lot of the volume is coming out of liquidity. Only a liquidity score of 1 from Gemini, but decentralized Uniswap is going to be the big hitter, and yeah, Gemini and KuCoin. So very, very awesome data we have. Looks like 4 million has been traded out over the centralized exchanges. 206,000 have been traded over the decentralized exchanges. If we look at our holder count, though, this is a bit interesting. It does appear that we have pulled back a bit in holders. Nothing to be worried about, though. I mean, this is the market that we are in, so it's definitely going to be expected a bit. But it is definitely glad to see how we actually have been able to increase in holders quite a bit. Even despite the pullback, we were just sitting at 141,000 not too long ago. So very, very, very nice to see still, despite a little pullback. It is what it is. Looking at an analysis, does appear 16% of those people are currently in the money right now. 84%, beautiful concentration. Does appear all these large holders that are holding do continue not to sell. It must be coming out of the centralized exchanges as well. Crypto.com, KuCoin. These guys have a lot of liquidity in the project, so I know a lot were identified as big holders as well. But there are some whales in this project. Do not get me wrong. There are some big players, big money in this project. If we head on over to Investor Observer, we do have a very nice score. Very nice score. I will refresh that just so you know you have that most up-to-date score, but it does look like we are scoring a 77 in the short term. Absolutely fabulous to see, as 77 is bullish. It's a bullish score, and it is basically meaning that it has been bullish over the last month without getting too overextended. So a score of 77 is more bullish than 77% of cryptocurrencies in the short term, and 39% of cryptocurrencies in the long term. Risk gauge sitting great, looking beautiful. Sentiment sitting bullish. Love to see that Elon sentiment being bullish, so absolutely great. Does mean that sentiment score bullish studies of cryptocurrency's price action and volume trends over the last 5 days to see if investors are getting more enthusiastic about a cryptocurrency as it rises. In this case, investors are more positive than negative, so absolutely great. Drop a like on this video if you are one of the positive investors out there. Drop a comment, let me know. That definitely lets me know that you guys are still out there holding and still believing in the project. That is the important thing. I mean, holding until you're blue in the face is irrelevant. If you don't believe in the project, eventually you're just not going to care enough. So hopefully you guys are out there believing in the project. I definitely do. I definitely believe in this project. And another thing is, this is great. Look at this. 5-day price prediction is looking better than it was yesterday. And not only that, and so is the 1 month prediction. They are seeing something coming. They are definitely seeing something coming. Even this number right here has gotten lower, or gotten higher, but has actually reflected a difference. So absolutely great. These have actually stayed about the same. 501302 6-month prediction, and a 501674 1-year prediction, with a cap of 506376, which would leave $1 billion Dogelon Mars worth about 6,376 USD. Absolutely insane. And are we going to see those price predictions in the near term? I sure hope so, because we do have good news. A lot of people are thinking the Feds may pivot. Hopefully we can see some of the aggressiveness that they have shown from the Feds take some effect, and then that is when a nice pivot will come, and you better believe that the stock market and crypto market will rally behind that. And so it does look like ETH is back above 1200 as Federal Reserve set to pivot policy. So this is definitely something to be on the lookout for in the next FOMC meeting. Ethereum moved back above 1200 on Thursday as markets continue to react to the latest Fed Open Market Committee minutes. Yesterday's report hinted that the U.S. Federal Reserve could pivot to a smaller interest rate increases soon. Bitcoin was largely unchanged in today's session, but this is major because just like we are not going to go up forever, we are not going to go down forever, and eventually I do feel that the crypto market will hit a floor. It will bottom out eventually and start reversing its trajectory. So yes, we have had a lot of pain in this market. It's probably proved to be more of a blessing than anything, because a lot of golden opportunities have present themselves. But yes, we are in a bear market. Prices are down right now, but I do feel that they are not going to go down forever. And as soon as they do decide to lighten up on the interest rates, decide to the economy reflecting a little bit better status, then we are definitely going to be back in full on bull run mode. And that is something that excites me tremendously, as I have accumulated quite a bit along the way. I thank each and every one of you guys for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. I will catch you in the next one.